10 new things to start doing immediately for a more interesting and inspired life. When life gets dull, there's no need to succumb to a mundane lifestyle. Instead, just mix it up. Here are 10 new things to do when you're trying to spunk up your life. 1. Visit a new town. Variety is the spice of life, and one way to achieve that is by exploring. You don't have to trek across the globe to mix up your whereabouts. You can travel to a neighboring town or your closest metropolis. Either way, experiencing a different culture is a great way to make your life more inspired. 2. Branch out with food. Food culture is upon us. Let's relish it. Change up your daily routine by cooking a new meal or going to an exotic restaurant. Here's the best part. You can do it alone or in good company. It's your call. 3. Make a trip to the museum. Unless you're a museum buff, you probably don't pay frequent trips to the local museum. When you have some extra time on your hands and you're looking for new things to do, take a walk through history or art at the museum. 4. Spend time with someone new. Socialization can be the source of great ideas and inspiration. Give your neighbor a friendly wave or call up an old friend for a coffee date. You never know what could come out of a friendly chat. 5. Go for a bike ride. Fresh air, exercise, and some good old vitamin D. A bike ride may be just the thing you need. 6. Take a day trip. When your budget doesn't allow for a vacation, you can take a day trip to a fun place nearby. Experiment with different foods. Visit a few shops and make memories at a new place. 7. Get crafty. You don't have to be an artist to enjoy a good arts and crafts session. Bring out the paint supplies and glitter and inspiration will hit. 8. Host a barbecue. Depending on the weather, of course. When you're looking for a change of pace, it's always a good idea to host a gathering with your favorite people. 9. Go shopping. There's nothing like retail therapy, and if you're working with a budget, you can go thrift shopping. 10. Pick up scrapbooking. Sometimes new comes from the old. As you piece together your scrapbook, you can look back on your favorite memories. It will boost your inspiration to go make more memories.